happening, everybody? Listen. Y'all wrong. YouTubers, y'all are wrong. Y'all just out here letting the sister just be out here willy-nilly, boring. I started watching my videos, and I've had my channel for a while, but I'm new at, being a YouTuber, because I just had my channel and I would do a video here or there every 6 months or maybe every other year. I have not ever really done YouTube. And as I said on one of my videos that you may have never even gotten to, because I'm boring. I was boring. And, I'm not that type of person. But being afraid of the camera to a degree, not really being myself, not really, knowing how to be myself, because I've been, you wear a mask for so long sometimes. And when you don't know how to be yourself because you're trying to be a people pleaser, and things just happen. But watching them videos, oh my gosh, y'all, help a sister out. Help a sister out. Y'all didn't comment. I get it. You didn't like it because I didn't like it. However, I was trying to share my little, my wisdom and my knowledge. And I do have some wisdom and knowledge. I've been through some things, learned from trial and error, been married twice, divorced twice, I have 5 children. I've been through some things. Y'all didn't tell nobody. Why y'all didn't tell me this? Y'all just let me be on there with just boring. I was probably putting y'all to sleep. Y'all didn't let a sister know. I'm in the 50 and over club. So this is new to me, trying to do this here, building this channel. And, and I get it, it's like a business, but, most of my business was almost to some degree nonverbal on a regular basis. But listen, I can't say all of them. Anyway, y'all let me be out there like that. Y'all didn't comment on there and say you boring. Tell me something. I know sometimes, you don't want to come off rude or something, but listen, I am a fun-loving person. I like to break out in song every now and then. I'm a creative person. As you can see, I don't know if you even watch my videos, but I created my little studio here. I needed some color in here, so I put some color in here, y'all. I painted those, the light pink ones. The darker pink ones was already done. And I got that from Dollar Tree and painted them, and did my little doodads up and, where that thing at? I made that up. You cut up some wallpaper. I put my own wallpaper up here. Put some wallpaper on the door. As you can see on the bottom of the shelving, I covered those shelvings. They're yellow on the bottom, but on the top it's the teal, like this wallpaper. I used those two. Well, actually I painted the bottom because I didn't like this yellow. I just put it up there because I paid for it and didn't want to have to deal with going through. I hope I didn't make y'all dizzy. Didn't want to have to go through fighting with returning it. So I didn't want to deal with all that. So I just found me some gold paint that I liked and painted them. Found these little things at the Goodwill. They were all white or cream or ivory or whatever. And I painted those little yellow to hold my, what do you call them things? Tape measures. But I make clothes. I paint. I sing. I do a lot of different things, y'all. I'm an actress. Come on, even though I was scared to be in front of the camera, I've never had to really be in front of the camera. But y'all, I can't believe y'all just left me dangling out there. For real. Okay, so from this point on, I don't know where I'm coming from. I don't know what I know I'll be creating, but my demeanor, my energy, okay, I'm bringing the energy. Y'all got me. Y'all got me. I don't even know what this means. You know, y'all, I see people doing it. I don't even know what it means. Hopefully it ain't no gang signs. But yeah, I know that's peace. All right. And I know, you know, you watching me, I'm watching you. So y'all come on here and comment. I'm bringing the energy. I'm bringing the energy. All right. I'm going to bring the energy. Just come on here and help me reset. Because this reset is for 2025. And I want this to be a great reset. I had a video and I said I was resetting. It was a little short one talking about resetting. But it was boring too. But I was just coming out of, you know, my little sickness. But yeah, you know. But now I see why people get on here and, you know, start singing and doing different things. But, you know, they got so many restrictions. I don't know what you can do on here. I've been trying to read up on it and do all of that. It's not easy being on. It's easy, but it's not easy because you got a lot of little things you got to deal with. However, from this point on, I'm bringing the energy. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. Hey, 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 hey. Let's get it, y'all. Reset 2025. Bring in the energy. I love you guys. I'll talk to y'all soon.